Yes, my name's Rob Towner. I'm the Managing Director of Triangle Energy Global Limited, an ASX-listed oil producer, and we've been listed since 2009 and operate the Cliffhead oil field 300 kilometres north of Perth. The Cliffhead oil field sits 12 kilometres offshore, off the coast of Dongara in Western Australia. First discovered in 2001, the field has produced 13 million barrels of oil to date, with existing reserves of 3 million barrels of oil. The facility was commissioned in 2006 with the capability to produce 15,000 barrels of oil, and we're currently only doing 1,000. So we see forward looking that we are driving a reserves increase through remodelling at Cliffhead and other onshore and offshore oil prospects. We've had a particularly strong last quarter of 2017. We drilled and participated in the Xanadu well in TP15, which is again a neighbouring licence to Cliffhead. We had an oil discovery there, which is the first oil discovery in the Perth Basin for 15 years. In October, in addition to the oil discovery, we floated a subsidiary of ours which held a conventional gas project in Southwest Bowen Basin, the Reeds Dome project. That floated as a 20% IPO and listed at 39 cents, and our position of 35% in state gas is worth $11 million to us. But predominantly we have a core team in Perth and an operations group of 6 at Dongara on site. We have a range of people from the project when we bought in 12 months ago that have been on this particular Cliffhead field for ranging 3 to 8 years. And encompass all aspects of the operations internally. Look, I think the key message in the cycle of energy and what we've seen in the last particularly 5 years since the fall of oil prices in 2014 is that we are offering production. Most importantly, we're currently and have been for 6 months cash flow positive on our production. We have a very low market capitalisation of 18 million. That we're coming out of a cycle that we are at the bottom of, and our market capitalisation does not reflect the true value of our business. But that's the flow of money, and when the sector is of interest to investors again, we'll probably be one of the first to look at outside the major oil and gas producers listed on the Australian Stock Exchange. No, it's been a good conference. The company are not specifically looking for an injection of capital as such, but we certainly appreciate the opportunity to meet direct investment opportunities and funds in that our strategy is for growth with our business, and that will at some point require additional equity or loan funds to increase our production levels.